Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best thread file is probably one of the most essential tools for any sewing enthusiast or professional tailor, offering a precise and efficient way to manage and organize your threads, ensuring that your creative projects flow smoothly without the frustration of tangled or misplaced spools. This indispensable gadget simplifies the often tedious task of thread management, allowing you to focus on the artistry of your craft rather than the clutter of your workspace, ultimately saving you time and enhancing your overall productivity. Number 5. Hi-Spec 17-piece metal file toolkit. Introducing the Hi-Spec 17-piece metal file toolkit. This comprehensive set is designed to handle all your filing needs, from large tasks to intricate details. With both large machinist's files and a set of needle files, it's perfect for smoothing, deburring, and shaping metal, wood, and plastics with precision. Crafted from durable T12 high-carbon steel, these tools offer exceptional hardness and wear resistance for long-lasting performance on various materials. The included needle files are ideal for intricate work and reaching tight spots, offering versatility with various shapes for detailed tasks. Keep your tools in top condition with the included stiff wire brush. It effectively removes filing particles to maintain a smooth finish without scratching. Everything is neatly organized and protected in a sturdy zipper case. Its splash-resistant design and elastic straps ensure your tools stay secure wherever you go. What we like? This set offers a wide variety of file shapes and sizes for almost any material. If you need to smooth, deburr, or shape metal, wood, or plastics with precision, this is a great all-around choice. It even comes with a brush to keep your tools in top condition. What people say. The thread file is a great tool for cleaning up damaged threads. It works on both internal and external threads. The file is made of high-quality steel and is very durable. Number 4. Lang Tools 2573 Thread Restore File Set. Introducing the Lang Tools 2573 Thread Restorer File Set. This essential tool is designed to quickly and effectively repair damaged threads. It includes a wide range of metric thread pitches, from 0.75 mm to 3 mm. You'll have the right size for almost any job. Crafted for durability, this set is built to last. You can rely on it for consistent performance every time. Despite its capabilities, it's designed for easy handling and storage. Its compact size makes it a great addition to any toolbox. Proudly made in the United States, ensuring quality craftsmanship. Invest in a tool that's built to the highest standards. What we like? If you're working primarily with metric fasteners and need to restore damaged threads, this is your go-to. It covers a good range of common metric thread pitches, making it efficient for specific automotive or mechanical tasks. What people say. The thread file is a great tool for cleaning and restoring threads on bolts and nuts. It comes with multiple sizes to fit a variety of thread types. The durable construction ensures it will last for many uses. Number 3. Crescent Nicholson 4-piece thread restoring file set. Introducing the Crescent Nicholson 4-piece thread restoring file set. It's designed to perfectly restore damaged or worn external threads on bolts and pipes. These files are incredibly versatile, accommodating 8 different thread sizes. This ensures you can always find a true fit for your specific needs. The set includes 4 files in 3 convenient sizes. This allows for quick and effective application, saving you time and effort. Finding the right tool is simple thanks to the color-coded caps on each tube. This makes it easy to identify the file type you need at a glance. The Type 1 file, marked with a black cap, is specifically for regular bolt threads. It covers a wide range of TPI from 11 to 24. What we like? This tool is specifically designed for repairing damaged or worn external threads on bolts and pipes. If you frequently encounter issues with bolts or pipes and need a straightforward solution with easy identification of sizes, its color-capped files make selection quick and effortless. What people say. This thread file is a great tool for cleaning up damaged threads on bolts and screws. It works on both internal and external threads, making it a versatile addition to any toolbox. The file is made of hardened steel, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Number 2. TOMMARS 49-piece thread chaser repair kit. Introducing the TOMMARS 49-piece thread chaser set, your comprehensive solution for thread repair. This kit is designed to tackle worn, damaged, or dirty threads with precision. Easily chase worn and damaged threads without removing any metal. It's perfect for cleaning stubborn dirt and corrosion, ensuring a perfect fit every time. This master kit is indispensable for auto mechanics. It's ideal for restoring threads on rusty fasteners and bolt holes found on cylinder heads, engine blocks, and various vehicle components. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel, this set offers exceptional strength and maximum durability for long-lasting performance. The hex-shaped dies and taps ensure compatibility with your existing wrenches and sockets. Keep your tools organized with the included storage case. Color-coded taps and dies make it simple to identify coarse, fine, metric, and SAE sizes at a glance, saving you time and effort. This extensive set includes a wide range of UNC, UNF, and metric sizes. You'll have the right tool for almost any threading job, from common automotive applications to specialized needs. What we like? For the ultimate in thread restoration versatility, this kit is unmatched. If you work on a wide range of vehicles or machinery and need to tackle worn, damaged, or corroded threads across UNC, UNF, and metric standards, this comprehensive set with easy-to-identify color-coded components is essential. What people say. Came in handy on day one. For older projects, the thread chaser is a must. This kit has everything. UNC, UNF, metric, every thread standard known to sentient kind. Taps for cutting new threads, dies for restoring external ones, and even thread files for those delicate, almost lost cases. I used them to clean up some of the threads. Worked good. Number 1. BILITOOLS 10-piece axle spindle rethreading tool kit. This comprehensive kit is designed to restore damaged threads. It includes everything you need for various thread sizes, ensuring you can tackle most repair jobs. Achieve factory-like results with this tool. It precisely repairs damaged, rusted, or crossed threads on both studs and axle shafts. This versatile tool works with both metric and standard thread sizes. It's designed to handle a wide range of automotive and machinery applications. Built to last, this tool is made from hardened alloy steel. Its robust construction ensures durability and long-lasting performance, even under demanding use. Designed for ease of use, it features non-slip grip handles and an extension bar for improved leverage. Everything is conveniently organized in a compact storage case for portability. What we like? This specialized kit is built for the demanding task of repairing threads on axle shafts and bowl studs. If you're dealing with automotive applications involving metric sizes M20, M24 or standard UNF sizes, and require a durable, precision tool for heavy-duty use, this set is engineered for that specific purpose. What people say. Worked great to help save my axle so I didn't have to replace it. A very good quality tool. I highly recommend this for restoring damaged threads. The M24X 1.5 thread worked perfectly. I cleaned the threads with brake cleaner and a brush, then hit them with oil and worked the tool little by little. Tighten 1 turn, back off, 1.5 turns, back off, 2 turns, back off, keep progressing. I removed it every few turns to look over the threads, cleaned them again, and sprayed more oil. After about 5 minutes my threads were good as new and the Newcastle nut worked smooth. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.